Hey everyone! So I'm going to do a bottle bottom pour, a little bit different than I did before. I'm going to do a dirty pour in the cup and then pour it onto the canvas. So I do want to put some white around my edges so it has somewhere to go. That way the paint won't fold over. Okay. Let's see if I can put that up there. Okay. I just want to move that one down a little bit. That's fine because we're going to end up pouring it anyways. Okay, so I do need some white for this, and the white has silicone, and the Craft Smart Grape Taffy has silicone. The rest of them do not. This metallic amethyst may have some silicone in it. I'm not sure. It's old, so I want to use it up. So I'm just going to start with a little white in my cup. I better spray my cup just a little bit. And that's the WD-40 spray that I just used. And I'm going to just rub it in a little bit. Okay. There's so many new techniques out on YouTube now. It's like, oh, I'm going to try that. Oh, I'm going to try that. Okay, so now I want to go with, these are all Creative Inspiration paints in these bottles here, and there's no silicone in them. And this is Dioxazine Violet. And I'm going to follow that with the rest of this metallic here. I can get rid of it now. It's been sitting there a long time. This is Purple Lake. Let me do the Grape Taffy next. This is a cute color. And then the Purple Lake. And then we're going to use Quinacridone Rose. And this is Sky Blue. Okay, and then I'm going to start over. And we'll go with the Dioxazine Violet. Purple Lake. Grape Taffy, Quinacridone Rose, and the Sky Blue. I'm going to give that another shot of white down through the middle. All right. So now what we're going to do is kind of like a ring pour on top of this, and it will flow, but I think I might want to turn it halfway. Let's see how it flows first. I can already tell that I have too much purple in there, so I'm going to go ahead and put more white in it. colors kind of melded together. So I'm going to give it just a little bit of the pink. Just try to break it up a little bit. I'll let that flow off for a minute. I can see the turquoise in there though. And we're going to do a half turn. It's really moving. Not what I expected, that's for sure. I thought we'd have more definition of the colors. But we're not looking for a flower. I'm looking for this to stretch and give me some design. I'm going to just torch it real quick, get the bubbles out. Because it's a mess right now. Let's see if I can get a shot of white in there. And I'm going to take my skewer, pull them in. Just to break up the white. Since we're already big here, we might as well go this way first. I spent the day cleaning and varnishing paintings, and it was so warm here today. It was probably 84, if not hotter. My varnish was completely dry and not even tacky at 3 o'clock, so I wired all my paintings, and they're on the curing rack now, but I'll be able to get pictures of those tomorrow and actually get them listed in my Etsy shop. And they're recent paintings too. The Arteza painting is in there, and the Deco Art Review painting. The One Color Flip and Drag. And the Southwestern, the dark one that I did, the big 12 by 24. That's varnished too. Let's see if I can stretch that just a little bit more. This is the only bad thing about putting white down, because my paint goes right over it and leaves the speckles. Too much purple, I think. One shot of purple probably would have been enough. But at least the pink showed up. I just want to take a little bit of this off the edge. My voice is very hoarse today. The pollen was getting to me this afternoon. It tickled in my throat all day today. Ooh, the runoff is pretty. Let's move that there for a second. Okay, let's give it a torch and see what we got. Now, if you remember, I only used 2 paints that had silicone. The white and the grape taffy. And the metallic amethyst did as well, but I didn't use a lot of that. But I do see it. So that's it on that one. It's pretty. It's pretty, but not defined. We could have went with a darker color in there too. So click on subscribe below and click on the bell. You'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share, comment. Join me on Facebook and my Etsy shop. All the links are below. And just so you know, Amazon has the washing machine trays back in stock, and I do have them in my shop on Amazon, and you can click on that link below in the description box as well. I've sold a lot of airbrushes, so I guess you guys are really going to want to try it. Cool. And I'm probably going to be doing some more tutorials. I'm getting a lot of questions about mixing the base paint and the airbrush and colors that go together and colors that don't go together. So I guess we need to do some more tutorials, but only what I know. I can't teach you something I don't know. So if I don't know, I will ask for you in our pouring group. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.